How to set up a custom portfolio. Custom portfolios let you add individual stocks and ETFs to your already diversified Acorns Invest portfolio. When you activate your custom portfolio, your overall Acorns Invest account gets split into two. A base portfolio, which is the same expert-built and diversified portfolio Acorns Invest customers have always relied on to give their money the chance to grow. And a custom portfolio, which will include the stocks and ETFs you choose to invest in. Together, your base and custom portfolios make up 100% of your Acorns Invest account. Okay, let's set up your custom portfolio. First, ensure you're subscribed to Acorns Gold. Then, from the home screen, tap Invest. Scroll down and tap your portfolio. Under Custom, tap Add your first stock or ETF. Then tap Start Customizing. Here, you can choose from a curated list of stocks and ETFs you can add to your portfolio. You can also filter by sector or search for an individual stock. Tap a stock or ETF name to read more about it. Then tap Add to Portfolio. Next, set its percentage target, also known as target allocation. As you increase or decrease your target, our diversification meter will show you how your allocation affects your portfolio's overall diversification, or how balanced your investments are, so you're not putting too many eggs in one basket. When you feel good about your choice, tap Set Amount. Finally, confirm your customization. From here, you can see how your base and custom portfolios add up to equal 100% of your total invest portfolio. Tap Confirm to save. Now, any investments will fund your new custom stock or ETF edition until it reaches its target percentage. Once that percentage is reached, your future investments will switch back to being spread across your overall portfolio. Your custom portfolio is now ready, diversified by us, customized by you.